Heartbreakers, thank you so much for joining me at HEARTCORE at Home. Today's class is a stability class, so we're going to be working pretty much only off the front of the machine. So stability class means that you know how to deal with your own body weight and you know how to stabilize through your core in our lunges that we're going to be doing. So in today's class, you need a yoga block. You need your black cables that attach to the back platform. And so I just want to add a note too that the cables are at their shortest. So the extension that's in the middle, take that out and have the short part of the cable connected. So you need your black cables. And then we also need a Swiffer or a pole to help you stabilize when we're in the escalator lunge series. That's all you need, Heartbreaker. Let's get started. Okay, so the first exercise we're doing is a one arm row on the right side. So put your yoga block, I would say in between the 1 and the 2 in the micro. You're gonna go to 1 black spring. And if you wanna have your spring load, more power to you, that would be, I would say 1 black, 1 white. But I'm gonna stick on 1 black spring. And what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be grabbing the right black cable. So grab the right black cable. Okay, actually bring your block a little bit farther back. You just wanna have your block right underneath your shoulder and your wrist like that. So you're gonna be creating kind of like this little house with your body. And what I want you to do is I want you to extend your left leg out and we're gonna row in. So we're just rowing in like that. So that's the move. I'm gonna start my timer. This is a core and lat warm up. Let's do it. So big inhale through your nose, extend out and exhale, squeezing your abs. So your torso is gonna wanna move all over the place, right? So that is when it's up to your abs, up to your core to stabilize you, right? As you're pulling it in, squeezing your right lat. Big inhale through your nose. Exhale and squeeze your pelvic floor muscles, squeeze your belly button to spine and hold it at the very end range of motion, squeezing your right lat. So inhale out. Exhale, squeeze your abs. And if it's too much for the left leg and you feel too unstable, you can just bring your knees down on the platform like this. So this is the modification like that tabletop back. So keep it going here. This is our upper body lat warm up for today's class. Inhale out, exhale, squeeze your abs. Resisting out, and pulling in. Squeezing that right lat. Also make sure as well that your ribs aren't sinking. You want to pull your ribs up, okay? Let's keep going 15 seconds here, okay? Bring it in, squeeze. Big inhale through your nose, extend your right arm. Exhale, pressurize your core, okay? We're warming up the upper body and the core for today's class. Inhale out and just hold it here for 10 seconds. Bringing that awareness, that consciousness to your right lat. Feeling both obliques working too. Inhale, exhale, and let it go. Okay, so now bring your yoga block to the right side of your machine, and I want you to grab your left black cable. So grabbing that left black cable, bringing your knees on your front platform, and again, have the yoga block be underneath your right shoulder. So right shoulder to the right wrist. So I'm starting my timer and let's get into it, Heartbreakers. So extend your left arm out and pulling your left elbow into the left side of the rib cage and really squeeze your left lat once you do this. So big inhale out, exhale, squeeze your abs. I want you to really feel your abdominal wall pulling up to your spine. So feeling your left lat resisting. Make sure to keep your neck in alignment with the spine. So I don't want to be dropping my head like that, right? Neck is aligned. All right, so I'm going to lift up my right leg to test my core strength as well. So I'm just pulling it in, squeeze and release. Resist. And pulling it in. Squeeze it. So you're out 1, resisting for 2, extending your arm for 3, resisting with your lat for 4. And again, using your left lat, your left bicep, your left shoulder, and your abs to pull the cable in. Big inhale, resist it. exhale, squeeze. So anytime I do a one arm row, my core is very sore the next day because again, you're essentially in a plank hold, right? You're in a plank. That's the foundation of the movement. Pull it in 15 seconds left to right. Inhale out. And again, your torso is going to want to move all over the place. But again, you're squeezing your abs so hard to keep your torso stable. Okay, last 5 seconds till we hold it. Inhale out. Exhale, squeeze. Elbow to the side of the ribcage and hold it right here. For 10, squeeze your left lat. Relax your facial muscles. Relax your neck. Keep that core tight. Big inhale. Big exhale, squeeze your pelvic floor muscles, and let's release it. All right, heartbreakers. So get your yoga block out to the side and you can put your cables away. We're going to get into a reverse wheelbarrow. So you can be on one black spring, and if you would like more intensity, one white spring. So wheelbarrow, let's do it. Wheelbarrow always means a kneeling push-up position. All right. So you want to first have your shoulders stacked on top of your wrist. And if you've taken class before with me, you know what I always say before you start the wheelbarrow. Press away. You have to activate that upper body before you send the carriage out. It's just the same sensation as if you'd be pressing away in a push-up. So big inhale through your nose. Feel your ribs expanding and send it out. Okay, send it out, send it out, send it out. And you're using your lats, your triceps, your rotator cuffs to pull the carriage in. So we just warmed up our lats, the back of the body in that one arm row. So you should be really feeling how in this wheelbarrow, it's really such a lat exercise. It's an upper body exercise, right? Okay, so sending it out, sending it out. Whoo, exhale, squeezing your abs in. So anytime you're in any of the core moves, just know that gravity's trying to pull your abs down, right? So I want you to exhale and squeeze your abs up. You also need to squeeze your glutes here to protect your lower back and to fire your lower abs. Also squeeze your inner thighs together because remember that your core starts at your inner thighs. All right. So a little bit more time here. So again, we're warming up, activating our core so that when we're in the escalator lunge, we'll be able to fire our core. Okay. So inhale, send it out, and exhale, squeezing your pelvic floor muscles as you pull the carriage in. We have about 10 seconds left. So send it out, send it out. And again, the farther you send it out, the more muscle fibers have to activate as you pull it right back in. One more rep. Big inhale through your nose. Exhale, squeeze your abs, and just pause right here. All right, heartbreaker. Next, we're getting into bear. So you come out into that plank. Your shoulders are stacked right on top of your wrist. Same thing. You're pressing away. You're not sinking, right? Press away. And we're just bending the knees in. And you want to stop when your knees and your hips are aligned, and then you're slowly extending your legs right back out. So if you really want to feel your core, it is all about your breath, all right? So big inhale. Feel your ribs expanding. Powerful exhale. Powerful exhale. Squeeze your abs, squeeze your pelvic floor muscles. So this is such a full body exercise here in bear. Upper body's working super hard to stabilize you. Your core is firing, all right? Keep your feet flexed as well. Modification will be getting back into that wheelbarrow that we just did. So keep going, about 20 seconds left. Inhale out. Exhale, squeeze your abs in. Again, fight gravity, pull your abs up. Slowly sending it out. And make sure that your shoulders aren't seesawing here. You want to have your shoulders on top of your wrist like a statue. Last couple seconds. Inhale. Slowly sending it out, loading the back of your body, and just hold it right here. All right, heartbreaker, now we're doing a double time bear. So we're in, press out through your toes out. It's in, it's out. Fast twitch fibers are working out, and it's in. Keep your shoulders on top of your wrist the whole time. Keep your spine neutral, in and out. You're loading your lats, you're loading your core. Inhale, exhale, use your abs, use your breath. Last 10 seconds, press it out, coming right back in. Inhale out, exhale, abs in. Last rep, one more rep. It's out and it's in, and take a break. Okay, next up, I wanna do a set of push-ups. So angle your elbows outward, drop your shins, and if you wanna go on your toes, hell yes, go for it. I'm gonna stay on my knees, all right? So let's do it. So it's chest down, press away to your palms. Chest down, press away. So in your life, What do you do with your upper body? You push and you pull, right? So push-ups, training them is essential. Inhale down, exhale, press it up. Inhale down, exhale, press it up. We've got just 10 more seconds. So again, you're keeping your core tight. Inhale down, exhale, press away up. It's down, press away up. One more rep, okay? It's down, press away